In this video, you are going to see how to separate the positive and negative number in Microsoft Excel automatically. Let's get started. First, we are going to separate the positive number. Hit the equal sign and apply the if function. Start the bracket, the logical test. Let us select this cell and let me apply a logic if this cell is greater than 0 and apply the comma. Then if the value will true, then click on this cell because this cell will be over here. Then apply another comma. If the value is false, put the two double inverted comma for nothing and close the bracket and hit enter. You will see there is no value over here. Let me fill it down and the positive value will be separated. Here is the condition. If I want to separate the negative value, hit the equal sign, apply if function, logical test. If this cell value is less than 0, hit the comma. If the value is true, click on over here because this cell will be over here. Hit the comma. If the value is false, apply the double inverted comma and close the bracket, hit enter. And here you will see the negative value has been separated. If I want to remove the formula from the background, select it, press Ctrl C to copy, click on over here and go to paste special and paste it as a value, click on OK. Then the formula will be removed. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.